In conclusion, boosting your website's SEO doesn't require a hefty budget, just a clear understanding of Google's landscape and the right strategies. Let's recap the journey we've just taken. We started with understanding Google's SEO landscape, delving into the algorithm changes and decoding the ranking signals. We then explored the power of free tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics, which provide invaluable insights into your website's performance. Next, we focused on content, the heart of SEO. We discussed keyword research strategies and the importance of creating engaging, shareable content. Then we dove into technical SEO, emphasizing the importance of a well-structured site and a mobile-friendly design. Finally, we explored cost-effective ways to build backlinks with a focus on guest posting. Remember, SEO is a journey, not a destination. It entails constant learning, tweaking, and adapting. With the insights shared in this guide, you're now equipped to navigate the SEO landscape and boost your website's visibility. So go forth and conquer the digital world.